Hi there, students. So-so. Okay, we use the phrase so-so both as an adjective and an adverb. So-so means mediocre, mediocrely. Not very bad, but certainly not good. So we had a very so-so meal yesterday. It was okay. It wasn't very good, but you could eat it and it didn't taste terrible. But it wasn't fantastic. How did you do in your exam? I did so-so. I got 51%. I passed, but it's a very mediocre result, and I would have much preferred to do better. So notice, a so-so meal, adjective. I did so-so in my exam, adverb. Very often we use this phrase so-so to answer the phrase, how are you? How are you feeling? So, how are you today? I'm so-so. I'm not great, but I'm not dying either. Yeah? So I'm not the best, but I'm okay. Things could be better, but they could be a lot worse as well. How are your finances? How's your cash flow? Well, the cash flow is so-so. Or maybe when I'm talking about the English of a student, his vocabulary is really, really good, but his grammar is so-so. I could qualify it even more, very so-so. Okay, that's bringing it down even more. Okay, so-so, an adjective or an adverb meaning mediocre. Not good, not bad, but passable, enough. Notice, this phrase is informal, yeah? This is the sort of phrase to use in an informal conversation in the pub. I think in a more formal setting, or even medium formality, I would use the phrase mediocre, mediocrely, moderate quality, something like that. So, this video was so-so, or maybe it was really good, and you'll give it a rating. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So-so.